Text, Beltone HearMax app, how to adjust bass, middle and treble. Beltone app icon. Text, open the Beltone HearMax app. Download on the App Store. Get it on Google Play. Select the program you want to adjust. A smartphone screen appears with the home screen of the app open. It shows an icon in the center of a circle of 2 arrows around a person's head and shoulders that is labeled, All Around. Text, tap Sound Enhancer. An orange hand graphic points to the Sound Enhancer button on the bottom of the screen. Text, you'll see 3 white dots on 3 vertical sliders labeled Bass, Middle, and Treble. A horizontal row of 3 white labeled dots appears on the screen, each one with a vertical line going through it. Text, move the sliders up and down to make adjustments to each pitch area. Adjustments are also applied to streamed sound. The finger slides the treble dot up the vertical line, making the horizontal line curve upward from the middle dot. The finger slides the bass dot down the vertical line, making the line curve downward. Text, tap Reset to return to fitted settings. The hand taps the Reset button at the bottom. The 3 dots go back to start. Text, learn more at www.beltone.com.